Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a Bosch Ebike owner, you might have encountered error code 550, which can really put a damper on your rides. Don't worry. I'm here to help you understand, diagnose, and fix this issue step by step. This guide is based on the latest info for 2025 models, so let's dive right in. First off, what does error code 550 actually mean? It typically signals a problem with the motor or the drive system in your Bosch Ebike. This could involve issues like sensor malfunctions or communication errors between the bike's components. It's your e-bike's way of saying, hey, something's not right here. Now, let's talk about the common causes. Error code 550 often pops up due to overheating of the motor, which can happen if you're tackling steep hills or riding in hot weather without giving your bike a break. Other culprits include loose wiring connections, a faulty speed sensor, or even outdated firmware that's not compatible with your bike's hardware. Environmental factors like water exposure or wear and tear over time can also trigger this code. The good news is, fixing it doesn't have to be complicated. Start with the basics. Turn off your e-bike and inspect the wiring around the motor and battery for any visible damage or loose connections. Secure them if needed, then restart your bike to see if the error clears. If that doesn't work, try a system reset. Hold down the power button for about 10 seconds to perform a soft reset. This can resolve temporary glitches. For more persistent issues, you'll need to update your firmware. Download the latest software from the Bosch website, connect your e-bike to a computer via the diagnostic tool, and follow the instructions to install the update. In some cases, if the problem continues, it might indicate a hardware fault, like a damaged sensor. At that point, I recommend taking your e-bike to a certified Bosch service center. They can run a full diagnostic and handle any repairs. There you have it. Error code 550 demystified and fixed. Remember, regular maintenance can prevent these issues, so keep your e-bike clean and check it before every ride. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Ride safe, and I'll see you in the next video.